Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic which is known as cell. Okay, not whole, but yes, some very important topics of cell. So before starting the topic, we are going to I wanted to introduce myself to all of you. My name is Anika Singh Rajput. I am from Chhattisgarh Ambikapur and currently I am pursuing my masters in social work. Okay, so let's start or discuss about cell. So what is the meaning of cell word? As you all know, cell is came from a Latin word which means a small room. By knowing this meaning, we can differentiate the definition in a science or biological language that cell is the basic. Remember, it is a basic functional, biological and structural unit of life. Or we can say the cell is the smallest part or a smallest living unit of an organism. Okay, so let's talk about its part. The cell have three main and major part. Doesn't matter what kind of cell it is, they all have three parts. Let me show you the diagram of cell. See, you can see various things are seen inside the cell, as you all can see. So these three parts known as cell membrane, second is cytoplasm and DNA. See, this upper layer which separate inside the cell from its environment, which make the whole thing separated from each other, is known as cell membrane. Okay, inside the cell membrane, a very fluid and watery type of material you can see. Yeah, this is known as cytoplasm. It play a very good role and important role. Okay, we will discuss about it. And the third one is inside the cytoplasm is DNA, which have very genetic materials, very much. Okay, so what kind of category cell have? Prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Always remember, prokaryotic is a kind of a single cell which is spatially found in bacteria. Why not in plant and animals? Because you can see here, eukaryotics have many things to discuss or many advanced things and unique things to perform, but a prokaryotic doesn't have. It only have a genetic material, but it also don't have nucleus. That's why it is found in bacteria. But eukaryotic is a kind of a very advanced cell which is found in animal and plant. Why? Just not because it have many things to discuss, just because it has organelles which have nucleus and many other specific parts to play a role. Okay, so let's discuss what is organelles. Let me show you. See, organelles are very specialized part that play a unique job to perform. Okay, it is a very little organ to know. As you all can see, inside the organelles we have a nucleus. So what is this nucleus? The cell controlled part, the very important and cell controlled part we can see, which control the cells all over the properties. Okay, why? Because this nucleus have some kind of part which is known as nucleolus, a very specific part which structured the ribosomes. So what is this ribosomes? You can see here this yellow particles surrounded all over the nucleolus. These are kind of a things which synthesize or make proteins. As you all know, we always need a protein. So this is the factor where the protein comes. They synthesize ribosome. Okay, ribosome synthesize proteins or make protein. Okay, And what is the role of their what is the working process of this? Just a minute. Yeah. The important job of nucleolus is to make this protein get out from nucleus to cytoplasm. As you all know, the DNA is the under part and the upper part is cytoplasm, and then the cell membrane comes. Okay, so the work of ribosome to make these proteins out from nucleolus to cytoplasm with the help of rest organelles. Okay, this cytoplasm, as you all know, jelly like fluid structure. Okay, this ribosome may under very feel very floated inside the cytoplasm and outer side of the nucleus. Okay, they are very get attached with ER, and what is this? ER is a kind of endoplasmic reticulum. By the help of getting attached with it, the ribosomes make protein outside and pick them or just make them jumped into the Golgi body with the help of vesicles. Why? Just because to folding these all proteins with the help of lipid and carbohydrate. These are some specific function of cell and many other, but we don't have much time to discuss about. Okay, so these are the only function I wanted to tell you all.